Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a background image in the CSS. In the body tag, we have some text in a paragraph tag. In the style tag, we have mentioned the background image attribute of the body tag and set it to some image like this. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, this is our text. And the image has been repeated over the entire body of the HTML page because we have set the background image attribute of the body tag over here. Now let's change this to the paragraph tag. Let's run this code in a browser. Now you can see that the background image is set only to the paragraph tag. Let's keep it as a body tag only. And try something else. Now, the background repeat attribute is set to no repeat. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, because we have mentioned not to repeat the background image, the image is shown only once. Now let's change the background repeat attribute to repeat X. This will repeat the background image along the X-axis or the horizontal axis. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the image has been repeated on the horizontal X-axis. Now let's change the attribute to repeat Y. This will repeat the background image along the Y-axis or the vertical axis. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the image has been repeated on the vertical Y-axis. Let's keep the repeat attribute to no repeat again, and try something else. Let's write some more text so that we can scroll through the web page. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, when I scroll the web page, the text scrolls, and the background image scrolls along with it. Now the background attachment attribute is set to fixed. As you can see, when I scroll the web page, the text scrolls but the background image stays fixed. By default, the background image is placed at the top left corner of the page. Now the background position attribute is set to the top right. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the background image is now at the top right corner. Now it is at the bottom right corner. So that's it. That's how you can implement a background image in the CSS. Thank you.